Assalamu alaikum grade 7s, a quick revision session of the work that we did in term 2. Right, let's look at structures. A structure is something that has been built, made or put together in a particular way to support a load. All structures support a load. The purpose of structures. Structures contain, protect, support and span. To contain means to enclose or to hold something within it. To protect means to keep something safe or to prevent something from being damaged. To support means to be able to carry or hold the weight of something. And to span means to span the distance from one end of something to the other, or to extend across a distance. We get different types of structures. We have shell, frame, and solid structures. A shell structure is a hollow structure that usually contains or protects something by providing support from the outside. A frame structure is a framework of parts joined together that provide support from the inside. And a solid structure is a structure that is not hollow and is usually made of a single piece of material with no joints. We can classify structures into natural and man-made structures. Natural structures are structures that are not artificial or man-made, but rather they exist in nature. Man-made structures are structures that have been manufactured or produced by people. Let's go a little bit into detail with frame structures. A cell phone tower is an example of a frame structure. It consists of a lot of rigid members that are joined together to form the structure. Examples of these members are tie beams and struts, which withstand tension and compression forces. So here we have a tie beam, right? This is a tie beam, this beam here at the bottom, and our struts are here, okay? These diagonal lines here. Okay, let's discuss what these are. A tie beam is a horizontal beam in a frame structure that supports the other members by holding or pulling the sections together, right? So this tie beam here at the bottom is holding all of these sections here together, okay? It is supporting those sections, and as it is supporting these sections, it is being pulled apart, okay? Because it is being pulled apart, this beam here is being pulled apart, we say that it is under a tension force or a tensile force. A strut is a diagonal rod in a frame structure that supports the other structures, sections or members and keeps them in position by pushing against them. It is under compression. Now, these are struts over here, okay? Now, it also supports the other sections, but instead it is being pressed together. This structure is being pushed together, okay? It's being squashed, and because it is being squashed, we say that it is under a compression force, okay? How to strengthen cell phone towers. Now, in a cell phone tower, which we did, okay, we can either use tie beams, struts, or triangulation, forming triangles, okay, in the structure to make it stronger. In order to stabilize cell phone towers, okay, which we did, we need to have a wide base. We can fasten the tower down with to the ground with cables, and we can make the center of gravity low. In order to do this, you have to make the tower heavy at the bottom and light on the top. If not, it won't be stable and it will fall over. And lastly, you can plant the tower deep into the ground. And by triangulation is pylons, windmills, and mine headgear. You can look in your textbook.